2017 Dutchman Voltage Epic 3970 toy hauler for sale in Heber City, Utah 84032. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Dutchman Voltage Epic 3970. This luxury toy hauler is 43.83 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 7 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 power retractable awnings, 1 manual awning, as well as a 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2017 Dutchman Voltage Epic 3970 is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious toy hauler your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Quartz Counter TopsAtwood 3-burner range CoverFull-Size stainless steel OvenFull-Size convection microwave with rotating TrayResidential pull-out kitchen sink 18 cu. Featuring 4-door refrigerator pedestal table, FireplaceFour flat screen, TelevisionsVoltage Happi jack, electric bed and rollover sofa system with Table Surround SoundIndoor/outdoor speakers, 2-on/off switchKenwood touchscreen stereoYamaha sound bar with internal subwoofer and Bluetooth exterior entertainment system, omnidirectional TV antenna with cable, satellite, AM/FM booster, solar prep connection, 1 king and master plus 2 queen beds plus twin loftFull bathroom with bathtub washer/dryer prep and master, fresh water 160 gal black water, 45 gal gray water, 90 gal Atwood 10 gallon seawater heater with 19.7 GPH recovery, air conditioners, 15 kBTU in master and main with ducting and 13.5 kBTU in garage with ductingCentral vacuum with all tools and floor sweep, 40,000 BTU. Furnace in command control system by Jensen, ceiling automatic power fan with rain sensor, pendant lighting over kitchen bar, 2-yaw heated/massaging recliner, slid puck lights throughout, roller shades in main living area, master underbed storage with gas struts. Master bedroom comes with either office desk or 6-drawer dresser, full service built-in water filtration system, enlarged pass-through storage, 80% more storage space than factory default. Power awning over main and second entrance, 16 aluminum wheels, 50 power cord with indicator lights, 50 amp service, 7,000 pound axles with ultra lube, 7,040 pound load range, E-rated HD tires, black tank, flush dual gas tanks, 40 and 30 gallons. Fuel pump station with timer switch, exterior water connections with hot cold faucets and quick connect hoses, 30 entry doors with screens and gas struts, ground effects light package, quad entry steps on both entry doors, sewer hose storage containers, spare tire with undercarriage carrier, 6-point hydraulic auto LevelingMORryde CRE 3000 suspension, nitro fill nitrogen fill tires, Trailair Tri-Glide 21K pin box, Onan 5.5 kW gas generator with 55 hours, 0.11 FT garage with 3 seasons, Patio DoorMORryde zero gravity ramp door patio system with railings and additional entry step system, manual awning over patio, 2-yaw voltage logo deck chairs, 2 500-pound tie-downs in garage, 22 diamond plate backup camera system, metal ram air vents, 2 nightshades, Tuffley gas and oil resistant flooring, removable edge cargo carpet and much more. This 2017 Dutchman Voltage Epic 3970 is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This toy hauler is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2017 Dutchman Voltage Epic 3970 can be yours.